Good morning, mighty rattlers, from me, Miss Tripto, and the entire admin team. Today is Wednesday, October 9th, 2019. Also, if you know me, you know I love dogs. So, I might have a few pictures of dogs on here. Some of them may be my dog, or some of them will just be this cute dog, or other cute dogs that I find on the internet. So, please rise and place your right hand over your heart and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing with your right hand over your heart and join me in the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Now, please remain standing for a moment of silence and reflect on the great choices you'll make today. You may be seated. Okay, we have 3 birthdays today. We have 2 in 4th grade and 1 in kinder. Happy birthday, Samuel Suarez, Susana Gurad, Brianna Oriana. And if today is your birthday, you guys come on and stop by my office to get your special gift. I hope you have an amazing, amazing birthday. Enjoy it. Today, we are focusing on the fact that rattlers are relentless. Today, I will not give up. So that means even when you're tired or you feel stuck in class, like you're not understanding something you're reading or you can't figure out that math problem, just take a deep breath and don't give up. Keep pushing forward. Okay, and we're still on idea 30, which is after dining in the cafeteria or anywhere, even in like a restaurant or someone else's house, and in your own house, make sure you're responsible for your own trash. Making sure that you're cleaning up the table after yourself, especially in the cafeteria, you guys. I see a lot of food that just somehow slipped underneath the table and it's all over the floor. And that's really not fair, and that's not the way we should treat our cafeteria. Okay, so make sure that if you drop something, you pick it right up. And if you spill something, there are people to help you clean that up, and you can also help them. All right, some announcements. All right, this is a big deal. We've been checking uniforms. A lot of you have your shirts untucked and non-idea sweatshirts. So I'm sending something home for your parents so they can purchase an idea jacket so that you are nice and cozy. You may wear your non-idea jackets when you're outside. Okay, so if you go outside and you're feeling chilly, it's okay to put a non-idea jacket on until you get your idea jacket. The minute you enter the school, you have to put it away. Okay, the second thing we've been noticing is that you guys do not have your IDs out and ready in the lunch line, which slows it down for everybody and makes the people that eat last not have a lot of time to eat. So I need to make sure that you just have your ID around your neck all day long. All right, so time to look at your uniform. Look at your black shoes, your black or khaki pants. Check your belt. Check your neighbor. Check your polo. Make sure it's your blue polo tucked in. And then if you are wearing a jacket that is not an idea jacket, this is the time to put it away in your backpacks. And then if you do have one on, great job. Thank you so much. All right, another announcement is that today's Wednesday, so that means you go to your 3rd block for academic block. And some of you have had the mindfulness lesson on breathing techniques, and some of you have told me you love it because when you're feeling stressed out, you just take a deep breath. It actually teaches you how to breathe properly so that you're actually releasing some stress and calming yourself down and really being able to think clearly. All right, we know that yesterday, 3rd and 4th grade took their math tests. I can't wait to see how you guys did. I heard that you really were working hard. When I popped into classrooms, I saw you guys working hard. And tomorrow, we have lots of tests a test in first grade, second grade, third grade, fourth grade, and fifth grade. So make sure you guys are really making the best use of your time in class today, asking lots of questions and reviewing. And if you have review or studying homework, make sure you do that. And I have a special announcement. Yesterday, we met attendance. We hit 97.78%. So that means we only had a couple of students out in each grade level, and that means we met our goal of 97.5. Really, really great work. Super proud of you, which means more of you are entered into our challenge. I know that you, the students that were supposed to get prizes on Friday, got them yesterday, and we are making sure that we have proper documentation to make sure you get your award tomorrow. All right, we have our vocabulary word of the day. So we're starting something new. I know that we've done a couple of these words, but I want to be able to hear you guys using these words in your everyday vocabulary. So that means when you're talking to your friends or your teachers or you're explaining something in class, that you're using these great vocabulary words. Also, if you ever read a book in the R zone or in your actual reading class and you show me that you found one of our vocabulary words of the day, I'll make sure I give you extra JoJo points as well. All right, our word of the day is advice. Advice means guidance or recommendations offered with regard to prudent future actions. That's a fancy way of saying that you're giving someone some recommendations or guidance to make some sort of decision in your future. So you guys ask for advice a lot. You ask your teachers for advice, you ask older siblings, your parents. I know I still ask my parents for advice. I ask your teachers for advice. So I'll give you a few other examples. So she took Miss Tripto's advice and went home and studied her vocabulary. The next day, she earned 100% on her test. See how I use the word advice? So if you take your teacher's advice to study, you will do great on your test tomorrow. Our word is advice. Okay, and now let's say the Runberg Academy chant together. All right, let's go. Rattlers are respectful. Today, I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. Rattlers are responsible. Today, I will own my own learning. And rattlers are relentless. Today, I will not give up. Remember, make it a wonderful Wednesday. That choice is all yours. And just in case you love countdowns like I love countdowns, you have 3 more days until the 3-day weekend. You guys can make it. And Rattlers, if no one else tells you today that they love you, just know that we love you and we always will. Teachers, please take a few minutes now to call or message parents of students who are out. Remember to message the ADA group on GroupMe. Thank you for using the group yesterday. Communication was on point and we hit ADA. So pretty excited about that. Have an amazing Wednesday.